So what do we do if we already know the volume of an object and we would like to find one of the other measurements? Well, it's actually not that difficult to calculate if we continue to use the volume formula that applies to the object. So in this case, we're going to figure out what the height of this coffee can is. So if it was sitting on a table, how high would the coffee can be? And we're going to try and find that in centimeters. So we know from a previous measurement that the radius is 8 centimeters, and we're just going to continue to use our formula for determining the volume of a cylinder, which is pi times the radius squared times the height. So now that we have our formula, it's just a matter of substituting the values in. We already know our volume, which is 3,215. That's going to equal pi times our radius, which is 8 squared, times our height, which is unknown. So we want to isolate our h, and the way to do that is to divide by our pi times our radius squared, and we'll do that to both sides. It's going to allow us to cross out the pi times the radius squared, which will leave us with the height. And now we have 3,215 divided by pi times 8 squared, which is, if we round to the nearest centimeter, or the nearest whole number, is 201. Final step is to divide 3,215 by 201, and we're going to get an answer of 16 centimeters equals our height. So the coffee can is 16 centimeters high.